Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Samsung phone in this tutorial. So if you have a Samsung device, either the A series or the S series, and you would love to reset the device to the default settings, then this is a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset your Samsung phone to default, all you need to do is go ahead and click on settings. Once you selected settings, scroll down the settings page until you get to general management. Click on that. Now under general management, scroll down, locate and click on reset. Now scroll down reset and then click on factory data reset. Then you should see checking if built-in pops. Then here you should see factory data reset. Then scroll down, locate and click on reset. Now you'll be prompted to type in your PIN. Go ahead, type in your PIN and click on continue. Once you click on continue, this is going to help reset your Samsung phone. But since I don't want to reset my Samsung phone, there is no need to proceed further. So that is exactly how to factory reset or reset your Samsung phone to factory settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.